Hey Chris Fallon, my name is Kevin Farrell with Tameron Hyundai, and I want to thank you very much for inquiring about the 2015 Hyundai Sonata. You didn't specify trim or color, so I brought you one of my favorites. This is a silver limited. Let's take a little closer look at it. You got beautiful wraparound headlights. You got LED running lights, beautiful alloy wheels. Let's take a look inside. Of course, this car is completely leather. All the seats are leather, but you got plenty of room in the back seat for 3 passengers. A lot of headroom, a lot of leg room. Of course, your center console will fold down with cup holders. Front seat is power, also heated on both sides, front and the driver and the passenger. On the steering wheel, for your safety and convenience, you can control the Bluetooth, cruise control, and the triptometer. Now, your triptometer will not only show you average miles per gallon, it'll show you how far you can go before you run out of gas. In the center here, this is a 5-inch touchscreen, reverts to a backup camera when you put the car in reverse. CD player, AM, FM with satellite radio. You also have USB and iPod hookup. Of course, it is dual control and heated seats. Also has a drive mode. You can put the car in either normal drive, sport, or eco. But the best thing about this vehicle is the warranty. 5 years 60 on all the mechanics of the car. 10 years, 100,000 miles on your powertrain. Your powertrain consists of your engine, your transmission, and your drive axles. Tameron will double that to 20 years, 200,000 miles, no additional cost to you. You also have a 5-year roadside assistance on this vehicle. Get you stranded, run out of gas, have a flat tire, anywhere in the continental United States, you simply make a phone call, they'll assist you with that. Give me a call. My name is Kevin Farrell, 914-3049. We'll set up a time for you to come and test drive this vehicle and see if you love it as much as everybody else does. But give me a call. Thank you very much.
Larry Keene, 4330, Larry Keene, 4330.